Hey y'all, I'm Diamond Painting Cajun. Everybody calls me Cajun. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. So, how are y'all doing today? I hope everybody's doing good and I hope y'all having a great week. Here in Louisiana, it's sunny, partly sunny, cloudy. It's supposed to rain this weekend. So I have some diamond paintings that I bought from Diamond Art Club back in January or February. I don't remember. But anyway, it might have even been before that. I don't know. But I'm going to show y'all one of them that I got because I do want to kit it up and start working on it. You know, it's just I want to kit it up. So this is the box for it. And it's called Mother's Nature. And as you can see, it's a 20 by 29 inch, 50 by 73 centimeter. It's a round drill. Look at that, y'all. I think it's so pretty. I love it. So we're gonna see what's in the toolkit. I like to see what's in the toolkit, and we're gonna see what it's what it looks like. So let me take it out the box. Anyway, to see it. So, like I said, this is by Diamond Art Club, and this is the sticker. Mother's Nature. Y'all, look at those colors. Y'all know those colors are going to be pretty, right? 29 inch by 29 inch. It's going to be so cute. Comes with a toolkit. I want to see what cover minder I got in here. I haven't ordered any diamond paintings from them in like a year. Almost a year. So, almost a year. Not quite. I think this month would be a year. So, let's see what we got here. So, it comes with plastic baggies. Comes with a pen and a squishy. Look at that pen, how pretty. That's a pretty color. And the squishy to match. I can't never put them on, but I'll show y'all. And it's a one placer. So cute. And it comes with a 7 placer. I think it's a 7 placer. Yeah, 7 placer and a 4 placer. I love these. I love these 4 placers. I love them. I love them. I love them. And it comes with a heart-shaped 2 plates of heart-shaped wax, as you all know. Ugh. Okay, we can't get that back on. And it comes with a tray with a little stopper. Tray and stopper. Sorry. And the washi tape. Look how cute the washi tape is. Bunch of little spring flowers. So cute. I'm gonna bring it close so y'all can see. Look how cute those flowers are. That's some cute flowers. Love that. And it comes with a cover minder. Y'all, it's a strawberry. Look at the strawberry. Oh my God, look at the strawberry. Look at the strawberry. It's so stinking cute. Look how cute. I never had a strawberry. These must be all new styles of cover minders because I never had a strawberry. That's so cute. Y'all, it's so cute. I love it. I'm going to have to stick that on my thing. That's so cute. So that's what the toolkit consists of. Let's put this back in there. And then I'm going to show y'all the diamond painting. So I'll keep the cover minder, the washi tape, and the 4 placer out. So, let's see. Let me put all this actually behind me. Hold on. Alright, that way I have room. I'm on a different table. My husband made me. Alright. Oh, this is so cute. Y'all. like I said, it's a round drill. It has 60 colors. Y'all check it out. Look how pretty, y'all. Holy moly. Look at the thumbnail. Look at this. The drill feels definitely clear. The legend, the top left, like I said, it has 60 colors. All of them, the DMC codes on the side. Y'all, look at those colors. Ugh. This is so cute. I'm standing up because y'all won't be able to see it otherwise. This is so cute. I love the colors in it. Oh, these colors though, look. Y'all, just the sunset color. Look at the sunset. It's so pretty. Those are amazing colors. I don't know if they have any ABs. I did not quite look yet. Let me see. They have two. They have two ABs. One's, let's see. Let me see. Yeah, one's like orange. And the other is, white. So white and orange ABs. So let's see. Let's take a look at the big sticker. So yeah, they have 60 colors. This is really cute. I love it. Look at that. Just so pretty. Really, really pretty. These are the colors, and look, they have, I'm guessing, I thought it was red. I don't know. It's DMC color 10103. That's the ABs. Look at those pretty colors. Watch this, y'all. I love that. Look at the colors. So pretty. I don't want to take it out because I'll never get it back in there. Look the rainbow of colors, y'all. Look how pretty. I don't know what the it's white. The other AB color is white. Let me see if I can find it. I can't really see it in here, but you get the picture. But yeah, those are the colors. I love that. That's gonna be so pretty. All the golds, the reds, the pinks, whites, blues, dark, like they have the navy blues, like the really dark blues. Really pretty. They do have black, of course, in the 310s. Y'all, I love that. Look at that pretty colors. I love it so much. I'm gonna show y'all again one more time. So pretty. I love it. I can't wait to work on it. Something different for me, you know. I thought it was so pretty. Absolutely love it. I love it. It's so pretty. Love the giraffes. So cute. I mean, look at those colors though. Those colors are so pretty. The drill feels definitely clear. You know, the stick is always good on these canvases. The canvas is really soft. It's sewn so it don't get frayed, you know, poked. I love it, y'all. Love it, love it, love it. So pretty. So pretty. I thought I would share that with y'all. I have 2 more, but I'm not gonna do them. I'm gonna wait till I get back to unbox those for y'all. I really don't have that much time, but I just thought I would share it with y'all so y'all could see how pretty it is before I work on it, because I do plan on kitting it up, and I will be working on that while I'm in Texas along with the mermaids. So yeah, I'm gonna get started on it. I'm not gonna probably get a lot done, but yeah. So thank you guys for watching. I'll link this one in the description portion of this video just so y'all can have the link to it, and it is at Diamond Art Club. So like I said, I'll link it in the description portion of this video. Thank y'all for watching, and I hope y'all have a great week. Bye y'all.